This is Jessie Quetz. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. Guys, welcome to our channel. Hi Mia. Today, what you gonna do?
Unboxing our vitamins again.
Wow. Okay, first,
Wiping.
wipe first. When you receive a package, you already sprayed Dettol on it, and now she's wiping it with wet wipes. Okay, back. Yes guys, after wiping and putting disinfectant on your bag or box package, we will open, right Mia?
Yeah.
Okay, since it's dangerous for Mia to cut it by the cutter, mommy already did it, but we haven't opened it, correct?
Yes.
So let's do this, Mia.
Open.
Open po. Tanan! Tanan! Okay. Wow. What is it? What is it? Show it to the camera. This is vitamin C. Oh, harap mo na. Ganun, oh. Ito, yan. Okay. Vitamin C, 1000 mg for mommy and daddy. Okay. Next one.
The next one. Vitamins.
Vitamins of Ate Jaja, because Ate Jaja cannot swallow tablet.
Yeah.
So, chewable. Okay.
Yes.
Again, there's two of that because it's 250 mg. She has to consume 4 tablets a day and 90 chewable tablets each. Okay, next one, Mia.
That mixed with.
Yes, this is the vitamins U cubes, vitamin C. It's also a gummy bear. This is a vitamins of Mia and
Meme.
Memes. Okay. And again, because there's 2 of them sharing, so it will last for a month. Okay, what else? There is also MCT oil for mommy. And also witch hazel natural astringent for mommy, my toner. And again, witch hazel for mommy. And that's it.
Yep.
No more, right, Mia?
Yes.
No more. So, see you next month. Bye, everybody. Bye, Mia. What will you say?
Thank you so much.
Click and subscribe. Bye-bye. And thank you guys for watching. Mwah! Bye! Thank you guys for watching. And remember to always be a blessing to others. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know if I will have new upload. Follow me also on all my social medias, and let's be friends. Later.